Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp video call on PC, quick fix step by step clearly. To use WhatsApp video call on your PC, start by ensuring your computer is connected to the internet. Next, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official WhatsApp website by typing web.whatsapp.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a QR code. Now, grab your smartphone. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select Linked Devices from the menu. Next, tap on Link a Device. Your phone will prompt you to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Point your phone's camera at the QR code to link the devices. Once linked, your chats will appear on the web interface. To make a video call, select the contact you want to call. Look for the video camera icon at the upper right corner of the chat window. Click on the video camera icon to initiate the call. Wait for your contact to answer the call. You can now enjoy a video conversation directly from your PC. Make sure your webcam and microphone are functioning properly for the best experience. If you face any issues, check your internet connection and restart both your computer and smartphone. Now you're ready to use WhatsApp video calls on your PC with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.